In this Blogify review, I'm going to be showing you a product that can help you with your blogs. So it's written here, revolutionize blogging with Blogify, video or anything to blog, AI writing, SEO, autopilot post and more. So make sure you stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you a complete tutorial on Blogify. I'm going to be showing you this tutorial later in this video. Now let's get back to AppSumo. So it is best for bloggers, content creators, YouTubers, and it is an alternative to Copy.ai and Hootsuite. So in integrations, you can connect with LinkedIn, Medium, Twitter, WordPress, Zapper, and the features that include is AI. So this is like a screenshot that they have given. It's written here, transform various types of media content into SEO-optimized blog effortlessly. You can convert videos, audios, podcasts, PDFs, and docs into engaging written content. And you can add auto affiliate link generation feature, then automatically matches keyword in the blog post with the relevant affiliate links. Then you can robust social media automation features. Then you can synchronize your social media platforms and schedule posts for optimal engagement. You will get access to comprehensive analytic tools that provide valuable data on the blog's performance, audience demographic and engagement matrix. Then you can schedule functionality which allows you to plan and automate your content and publication process and all that. And they are offering multilingual blogging capabilities in over 150 languages. And these are some of the plans and features. You also get a 60-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try it out for 2 months, and if you don't like it, you can always choose to give back Blogify. Now they have some pricing as well. They have got 3 plans, and they have an additional of 3 more codes, up to 5 codes. So the first plan is $79, then the second plan is $158, and the third plan is $237. Then you have these codes, so you can purchase them based on your. Now let's jump into the tutorial of Blogify. Make sure you buy from the link in the description in order to get a 10% off on Blogify. Now let's jump into the tutorial. So first of all, I would like to show you the settings of Blogify. So you can add your picture here, you can change your name, you can change your email, you can change your password, you can add in your language preference, and also you can connect to your blogs. So for the video purpose, I have connected my WordPress.com. And secondly, I have connected my Twitter account, which is one of my social media. So I have connected both of these accounts for the video purposes. You can connect based on your needs. Now let's go to overview, and you'll get an option to generate your first blog. So I'm going to create my first blog. So I'm going to go with YouTube. So first of all, I have to put in my link. Before that, there is other options as well. You can get YouTube, Vimeo, Rumble, TikTok, any video link, upload your own video files. You can do anything. And you have audio options as well. You have prompt options, documents, web link. So for the video purpose, I'm going to go with YouTube because it is the most convenient for me. So I'm going to put a link to one of my review videos. So I've put a link, and I'm going to so they're asking me the mode of generation. So either I can make it autopilot or copilot. So in the autopilot, basically they will do everything. So Blogify will automatically generate and publish your blog, so they will do the whole process. And in the case of copilot, you can design the blog from scratch, so everything I have to be doing. So for the video purpose, I'm going to be going with automation, so autopilot. Then the blog's point of view is first person, second person and third person. I'm going to keep it first person. Then the blog tone, for me it should be pretty professional, so I'm going to go with professional. Then the blog size, I wanted small. You can go with your needs. Then the affiliate commission opt-in, I'm not gonna check in this, but you can do it if you want to. and this is the cover image that has been automatically added. Then I'm not gonna publish now, I'm going to publish it later. First let's generate the blog. As you can see, my blog has been generated. So it's written here, exploring deposit photos, a detailed walkthrough. Then it has an introduction, an overview, a comparison, benefits, then features and benefits, tutorial. Okay, so it has created me an excellent blog on deposit photos. So if you guys want to copy this blog, you can copy it by clicking here. You can copy the HTML, you can download the PDF, you can download the doc, you can edit the blog as well. You can also delete the blog. And after the blog has been edited and completely made on your preference, you can publish it to the connected WordPress and social media. So I'm going to show you both of them. I'm going to publish it on WordPress right now and also Twitter. So first let me do Twitter. So as you can see, this is the time and this is the date. I'm going to do it now itself. So I'm going to publish. Okay, it has been published. I think that's the correct time. Now let's go to WordPress and I'm going to publish it here as well. So as you can see, the WordPress and Twitter has got published. Now let's go to Twitter to see if the post has been published. So this is my Twitter. I don't use it really. Now let's reload it. Okay, as you can see, it has posted my blog, but it has been posted only this much. It hasn't given the details and all. Maybe to Twitter it only gives us a limited content of a blog, so it is only a part of the blog. So that's it for Twitter. Now let's go to WordPress and see. Now let's just reload it. Okay, as you can see, there is a blog of deposit photos. Now let's go to it. As you can see, there is the complete blog in the WordPress, which is pretty great. The whole blog is there. But I think in the case of Twitter, since Twitter people don't really go for long sentences, the Blogify has made it really short. But in the case of WordPress, the entire deposit photo review is given here. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this review of Blogify. If you want to check out Blogify, you can click the link in the description, which can give you a 10% off. And now I'll see you in the next video.